from the UK.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
My question is, so when you're sitting down, and I was sleepy, and my eyes kept closing and then opening because I was tired and I was waiting for Fajr, and I don't know if my mind at that moment went asleep. Like I feel like I was aware, but I'm not sure. So I don't know if that broke my wudu or not.
Were you lying down or sitting?
I was sitting.
No, inshallah, your wudu is intact. The hadith in the Sahih, where Anas ibn Malik, may Allah be pleased with him, said that the Prophet ﷺ sometimes delayed Isha until it was the first third of the night. And the companions were sitting in the masjid and they used to doze off like this because of their being tired, and it's the end of the day, and some of them's chin would touch their chests. And the Prophet came and started the Isha prayer. None of them went and renewed their wudu. And this is where we come to the difference of opinion among scholars, because the Prophet said, alayhi salatu wassalam, al-aynu wika'u suh. The eyes are the rope that ties the water container or the sack where you put valuable things in. So the moment it closes, the rope is untied and whatever is in it is exposed. Meaning, it's a metaphor for saying that your eye, if it closes and you fall into deep sleep, most likely you will break your wudu and pass wind without you being certain about it. And that's why one of the things that nullify wudu is sleep. But scholars elaborated and explained that the sleep that takes your conscience away is the one that breaks your wudu. Dozing off, where you would, just take a power nap or something that you're still aware of your environment. If someone would put his hand in your pocket, you would feel it. If someone spoke about you, it would ring the bell and you would be alert and you would listen to the conversation, which many times happens to us, especially when you're sitting down and firmly protected by sitting down. Different than when you're lying down, and that would probably break your wudu, and Allah knows best.